What you guys think? H22, FEWH22 bell housing, all-wheel drive carbon fiber drive shaft. You guys like this one? This looks so fresh. We did an all-wheel drive kit on this a while back. Now it's all painted. Paint looking really fresh. Look at that paint, guys. Look at that. Sick. So now it's all painted. He went with an Alpha 6 yellow. Check it out. Tubular kit, billet forks, and he's using the H22 transmission with a FEWH22 bell housing. So the wagon diff went upside down. Check it out, guys. That's how it looks. Looks pretty nice. We're just finishing up the drive shaft on this. He brought it back in to get a drive shaft done, guys, and I'll show you the end results here in a minute.
Perfect. Okay, so what I'm doing here now is, of course, making the little pads that we always make for the
Caribbean brackets.
Caribbean brackets. TK knows more than I did.
Ding, 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 ding.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so, but on this car, as you can see, he's already painted everything beautifully. So I'm just making smaller pieces so we don't ruin all this.
The paint and everything.
Paint and everything.
Neat, right?
Yep. And now, of course, we do every car neat. I'm not saying that, but this one came in painted already, so I'm gonna take a little extra time.
We do it up and then put the welds around.
Put the welds around, and then I'll just spot paint it in.
And that's it.
And that's it. It'll be off to the happy customer.
Is he running 60 or 30K now?
I think 60.
60 with the wagon?
Wagon.
Okay, nice. He should be able to test his carbon fiber drive shaft out.
Oh yeah,
now,
he's going
bang.
to. Yeah.
All right, cool.
He's gonna go bang.
Trying to get everything lined up best way we can.
It just shifted. I felt it. He said, "I'm good."
Everything's welded up, and he's spraying it up now to get rid of rust, making it look neat. You know what I mean? Because you guys can tell it's all painted. What is he laughing at?
It's not get rid of us. It's to prevent rust.
That's what I meant, man. You guys know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, now they do because I clarified for them. Thank you.
Z. All right, check it out. This is before, and after is when he's gonna spray it up. So it looks looking pretty good. After we bolt this up, customers are gonna come pick it up, and it's a wrap.
That's it. Off to the customer.
Everything's done. Check it. Check it. Everything's up, guys. Now the customer's gonna pick it up. And we can't wait to see this car on the track. What is it gonna do? 60K, all the power. The back upside down diff. It's gonna be sick, guys. Like, subscribe.